In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Klaviyo. We're going to walk through the essential account settings you should set up right away so your emails look professional and stay compliant with email regulations. Even though this is a quick setup, taking a few minutes to do it properly will save you a lot of time and headaches later on. Let's start with your core account settings. Once you're logged into Klaviyo, look down to the bottom left of your screen. There, you'll see your profile area. Click on your name, then choose Settings, and from there, click on Organization. On this page, you'll want to enter your company's basic information, especially your physical business address. This is more than just a nice to have. It's required to comply with international anti-spam laws, like CAN-SPAM and GDPR-related regulations. Email providers expect every marketing email to include a valid physical address in the footer. If you skip this step, your emails might look suspicious to inbox providers and could be more likely to land in spam. Make sure you enter an address where your business can actually receive mail. It could be your office, a registered business address, or a compliant mailing service address. Avoid using a fake or placeholder location because that can violate email policies and potentially cause issues with your account in the long run. Once you've entered your details, double-check everything for accuracy, then save your changes so Klaviyo can start using this information across your account. Next, let's set up your brand styles so your emails match the look and feel of your business. At the top of the screen, navigate to Content, and then click on Brand Library. This is where you'll define how your brand appears in your email templates. Start by uploading your logo. Choose a high-quality version that looks good at smaller sizes, since it will likely appear in your email header. After your logo is uploaded, set your primary and secondary brand colors. These are usually the same colors you use on your website, social media, or other marketing materials. Taking a moment to copy the exact color hex codes from your website will help keep everything consistent. Klaviyo will use your logo and colors to automatically style new email templates, so your buttons, links, and backgrounds will already look on brand without much extra work. If you send a lot of campaigns, this small setup step can save you time and keep your emails looking polished and cohesive. Once you've saved your brand settings, you've completed the core configuration. Your account is compliant with address requirements, and your emails are visually aligned with your brand.